Hi everyone again. So while I'm in the spirit of reviewing hotels, I thought that I would review the one that I'm staying in for a few days. You've already seen the beach, so let's go for a little walk through the hotel and see what we can see and see what I can show you. Okay, so this is the reception area. Right beside the reception area is the hotels, or the rooms. Sorry. It's an older type resort. Well, it's called Sea Star Resort. So it's an older type resort, but reasonably well maintained, and for the price and the money, it's quite good. So I'll walk down this path here and show you the pool area and also the bungalows down beside the beach where I'm staying. I'm staying here for, what is it? I think it's 3 nights, 4 days. And yeah, so far so good. This is definitely the area of the island that you probably want to stay on if you want restaurants and bars, etc. close by. Where I just was at all those expensive resorts, there's nothing nearby except for those resorts. So if you want to get out and do something, or have something to eat, or go to a bar, have some drinks, you've got to get in your car and go somewhere, or on a motorbike, or you're stuck at the resort. So for me, places like this, places that are a bit more lively, especially when you're traveling on your own, are a lot better, and also a lot more price friendly. So this is my massive pool here compared to the pools that we just come from. It's nothing special, but still it's actually really quite nice, even though. So we'll go down here. Not really sure what this area is. Again, I'll mention it again, it is low season, so maybe this turns into a restaurant slash bar here. I'm not real sure. But we'll go down this path here and we'll come to all the individual bungalows which are right beside the beach, with my bungalow just being there with the blue towel hanging up out the front. I went for a bit of a swim in the pool earlier because the pool is right next to my bungalow. So all the way along here you've got your own individual bungalows. So I think it's a really good setup. And then you come down this path. If you don't slip over and eat shit. Fuck, that was close. Anyways, you come down this path here and you'll find the beachfront bungalows. This is what I originally booked, but as you can see, it is one bungalow split into 2 rooms. So you're sharing a wall with whoever else is next to you. I had a bungalow and I was next to an older couple, but they were playing loud music, or loudish music. Geez, how old am I sounding right now? Though about 60 and I'm 42. And I thought, nah, I don't like that. I don't want to share a wall with people. So let's come down here and, go back there. Even though it's not on the beach, it's still 15 metres away. It's fine. And as I said before, I don't plan on swimming in the ocean unless it cleans up a little bit, unless the wind changes, as you can probably hear the wind right now. And down here is a cool little spot, the beach bar area. See the beach bar in the background there. It's a great little spot. Again, no people, not crowded at all, and that is the restaurant area there where we have breakfast each morning. So I was in there this morning. It's a great buffet breakfast for the price. I couldn't knock the variety that was there. From Western to Asian food, you could get pretty much anything you wanted, really. So that has enabled me to skip lunch today, which I will be each day, which is also a money saver. because you just stuff yourself silly over lunch. Anyways, so this is Sea Star Resort, and this area of the island, I'll say again, is definitely the place to stay in. The street is lined for kilometres of restaurants and bars, and sometimes you find it really hard to choose which one you want to go into. But anyways, I'll leave that here, and yeah, I'll see you at my next resort, which is just around the corner, I believe. A little bit more expensive than this one. It'll be interesting to see the difference. Right, bye.